Hello, this is DToTheR, and today I am doing a room tour at the DoubleTree Hotel in Chester. And if I just turn so this is the room as you walk in, and as we enter there are wardrobes just here. They have complimentary dressing gowns and slippers. Just zoom out a touch there. In the next wardrobe we have ironing board, water, there's also a skybox up there, a safe, tea, coffee, a kettle, and there's a hairdryer just down there, and room also for storage. We have a nice stand-up mirror just there, and then little tray thing there for your luggage. Nice bit of wall art, and I like how the telly is sunk into the wall. Bit of desk space as well with a nice lamp, 2 chairs. We also got warm complimentary cookies when we checked in. Nice table. We have the double bed, and also it's my partner's birthday, so we have a birthday card and complimentary drinks. We've got nice lamps each side of the bed, and a phone, I believe, for room service. And also we're on the first floor. We've got an amazing view of the garden area, which I think is absolutely wonderful. This is quite a beautiful room, if I do say so myself. As we head this way to the front door, here's the bathroom. Nice standard toilet, lovely sink with a mirror, well, with 2 mirrors. And also just behind the door here we have a nice big shower. And if I just zoom out a touch, it's better. There we go. So this is the bathroom, and a couple body lotions just here, hand wash as well. And we also have a set of 3 there too. And as always, just in case of a fire, a bit of fire safety there.